Hello, everyone. Welcome to the free ABC Forex Signals. This is the new program that I'm offering everyone, and we're going to do a review for last week's signals. I believe there were two signals I sent out. One was a winner, one was a loss, and there are a couple of other signals I did not send out. I just wasn't available to do that, but we're going to review everything in this video. This is Simpler ABC Forex. Welcome everyone to my free Forex signals once again. I just want to make trading as simple as possible. I just need you to follow my trades and copy them to your demo FX account. Yes, I said demo, not your real live account, okay? Please understand that. Now, it's important to learn the trading process first before you get into real trading, and also to keep your trading mind active every single day, because there could be a signal today and you would miss it because you weren't available at your computer, and sometimes the signal that you miss becomes one of the biggest trading opportunities in a long time. Okay, so it's always important to keep your mind sharp and follow trading as much as you can every day, even if it means only 15-20 minutes on your computer. Okay, guys, this is me. My name is Martin. I'm a proud Canadian trader. And again, we're going to get to the review in just a moment. If you want to send me an email, and if you want to receive these free signals, and I mean free, there's no obligation, there's nothing to buy. Okay, I'm not going to send your name, your address, your email address to another third party or anything like that. Okay. Nothing like that, guys. So if you want to receive the free signals, then please send me your email address. And here's this is mine right here, mskyj007@gmail.com. Okay, before we look at the charts, this is really important. This is my humble disclaimer. Please read this and please adhere to this simple request. Don't blame me if you lose all your money. You probably weren't paying attention to what I'm teaching you. Remember, we're trading only on a demo account first, okay? Later on, we'll get into live accounts, but right now I need you to stick to the basics. Okay, let's take a look at this chart. This is a daily chart of the Australian CAD currency pair. And last week I sent all my subscribers this trade right here. It was a sell trade at this level right here, okay, 0.9452, and it went down to here. So we were looking at the ATR right here, and the ATR was, let me just check for a second here. The ATR on the sell was 60 pips. So we were only looking for 60 pips to the downside, or somewhere before, a little bit less than 60 pips, which would have been right to here, okay? And it would have gone to about there. So you would have, I'm sorry, not to there. Let me just take a look again. Okay, I want to make sure this is correct. Let me take that off. Okay, I'm going to use my crosshair tool. So if we would have entered right here at 0.9452, 60 or less pips to get you into a profitable trade, yeah, would have been, yeah, right about there. Okay, so as you can see, if you kept your trade open, you would have made a lot more money, as this currency pair, the Audi Canadian dollar, went down much lower. So that was the one really good winning trade. We had one losing trade, and the focus is in this video to show you the weakness of the Australian dollar. So we're going to look at a couple of trades I did not give you, or signals I did not give you. I just wasn't available. But before I do that, the last current signal I did send out to everyone, it was the, let me just take a look, the New Zealand Swiss franc trade. It was a sell trade, I believe. So we're going to look at the chart in just a second. Okay, this is the New Zealand Swiss franc chart. It's a daily chart again. That means each and every candle here is 1 day's worth of price movement. Okay, and this is what I did send out to all of my subscribers. I said sell And by the way, at the close of this candle, after this candle closed on the Thursday, Eastern Standard Time after 5 p.m., I did give out or send out the signal, and it was to sell at 0.6026. Okay. Right at that level, and you can see the entire next day on Friday here, price went down a bit, did not hit the entry level right there, did not hit it. I believe the low of the day was 0.6027. It did then go up all the way to here and then closed the day here. Okay, so if you would have gotten into a trade, anyways, at a level higher than 60.26, then you would have. You're right now. You're in a small loss position, but don't worry about it. I did send out an email alert, and guys, I will always send out updates as for all open pending trades or open trades that you may have, and I'll tell you what to do. I just need you to follow what I'm doing and how I'm following the trade. So I just need you to follow and copy what I'm doing. And for this trade, I'd said if if the entry is here, the first profit target is right here. You can see it's 0.5997. And the stop loss I have way up here is 0.6089. For stop loss, guys, again, I just want to remind you with the ABC system, we're using a one and a half times stop of the ATR. So if the ATR right here was 60 pips, then we're looking for a 90 pip stop loss, okay? And we're looking for either a 60 or slightly less profit. I know it sounds weird, guys. I will explain that in another video, but that's the ABC system. We just want to make sure that in case price just shoots up against us because of some strange volatility in the market or news event or something that's unforeseen, then we're not going to be stopped out. So most of the trades, guys, I do respect the ATR, the average true range, and that's why I have the stop loss at approximately 1.5 of the daily ATR. Okay. So that explains that. So far, most of you should not have been in this trade. You can keep this trade open if you want and see what happens on Monday or Tuesday. I've drawn a channel here. You can see with an upper trend line, a lower trend line. Price kind of. Let me just use my marker here. We have a higher high, a lower high, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high again, and I kind of expect price to go down toward this bottom of the channel here. So that's what I'm kind of seeing. It's right now it's kind of just going sideways downwards a bit, down, up, down, up, down. Hopefully the next move comes down, and if it doesn't, if price comes right back up again over this line, you can, let me just take that off. So if price, a price candle comes above and closes above this line, you can see right here, okay, this moving average, then I would close the trade. Okay, so now let's get over to the two trades that I wasn't able to give you. I just wasn't available, and we're going to look at them, and there are winners as well. Okay, let's take a look at the two trades I wasn't able to get to send you last week. This is on the Australian Swiss franc daily chart, guys. Take a look at this signal right here. Okay, take a look. There's the signal, and getting in, you would have gotten in here. Okay, and it did go down all the way, and I believe it went down for approximately 94 pips. So that would have been a really good winner, guys. Okay, so there's one signal, and we're going to look at the other signal. Okay, this is the British pound Australian dollar, guys. This is the signal right here. Okay, getting in there, you would have made the pips all the way up to here. And again, this one moved. The British pound Australian dollar is a lot more volatile than the other pair with the Swiss franc. When I talk about more volatility, it tends to move a lot uh, greater, and in this case, it moved 205 pips. So this would have been a really good winner, guys. Okay, and again, this was a really good signal. Another signal I just wasn't able to give you; I wasn't available. So these two last examples showed you the weakness in the Australian dollar. We had a winner with the Australian CAD. Again, it was a sell trade for the Australian CAD, and it again showed you that last week the Australian dollar was weak against some of the other currencies. So that's it. We're just going to wrap this up, and um, some of you have asked why the free Forex signals. Why am I doing this? And I just want to make Forex trading even simpler. Okay. Now, there is no obligation. There's nothing to buy. Again, I'm not going to sell your email address if you contact me. I just want you to follow and copy my trade signals. Now, I've been teaching students for many years, and I'm still amazed at how many of you are blowing your real money accounts over and over again. And I think you need this kind of daily guidance, or you need this kind of service just to get you back on track. So if you want to receive my free signals without any obligations, just send me your email, okay? And you would send your email to my address, which is mskyj007 at gmail.com. Now, I want you to subscribe to my channel, and below the video I'm going to give you a link to my YouTube channel. I've been trading for many years now, and I've had many years of videos on the channel. So if you like what I'm doing, and you like the free signals and that, just make sure you click on the like and the comment buttons below. Make sure you subscribe, and importantly, click on the bell. This makes sure that you get all of my latest free Forex signals in your inbox. Okay, so take care. We'll talk to you again, and we'll see you again next week.